On Food for Thought, we'll be playing our standard version of the game 5-second rule. Each contestant will have to eat food that will progressively get worse as the game goes on. The rules are simple. I will read a question and the contestant will have 5 seconds to answer. If they get it right, good, they play on. Get it wrong and they have to eat one of the sides. The first player to get to 3 questions wrong is the loser. Before we begin, let's take a minute to meet our contestants. Here with me to my left is Nick Birkinshaw.
Hey.
And to my right is Keon Lemons.
What's up?
Okay, Nick, you are first. Name 3 war movies.
Eat up.
Oh.
Eat up.
Yeah.
Eat
I
up.
might as well just take a bite. Which one first? This one?
Yeah.
Which one did you eat first? This one?
Yeah.
Which one was first? The
Cocktail.
cocktail? All right. Okay. You already have 1 point. Keon, name 3 vice presidents. Wow.
All right, come on.
Okay, Nick. Name 3 movie theater snacks.
Popcorn, candy, and nachos.
Okay, good
If I do something
job.
like that, I'm gonna just be mad.
Okay, Keon. Name 3 things you might find in your backyard.
Sticks, leaves, grass.
You took the easy things. You couldn't say like a garage or a rake.
Not everybody has one.
Okay, I said your backyard.
Oh.
Okay, Nick. Name 3 things you might find in your bedroom.
Clothes, a hamper, and a TV.
Okay.
If mine is higher, we're about to have a problem.
Okay. I don't think you're gonna get this one, but we'll see. Name 3 comedians.
3 Canadians.
Comedians.
Bro, no, bro. She said
Yeah.
Canadian. Bro, I don't need it.
It
I
says
could name 3
comedian.
comedians so
Look.
quick.
All right, I don't care. Whatever.
Okay.
He's still not gonna get it.
You should get this one. Name 3 breakfast foods.
Pancakes, waffles, bacon.
Waffles are my favorite. I love waffles so much.
Omelets.
Ooh, omelets are good too.
Yep. They're really
Sometimes.
Okay, Nick. Name 3 animals with stripes.
Zebra.
We literally talked about our pets like cheetahs,
Wait, what
tigers.
is? Oh yeah.
Oh, bro.
Cheetahs.
Yeah, they do.
Tigers
Cheetahs have
stripes?
spots. Never mind.
Tigers have a type of stripe.
Yeah.
And a bass.
Oh
You're
yeah.
dirty.
Okay, bang. Good.
Okay, Keon. Name 3 salad dressings.
Italian, ranch, and vinaigrette.
Ooh, okay. I didn't think you were gonna get that one. I thought you were gonna
I
get
got scared.
stuck.
I didn't know what to
By the way,
say.
I'm still chewing.
Okay, I'll give you a second. As he's chewing, just to recap the score, Nick has 1 hot dog left, which means if he gets this question right here wrong, then he's the loser. But if he gets it right, then that's his redemption, and then Keon goes. Keon gets it right, then Nick has to go again, and so on and so forth until one of them ends up losing. Okay, Nick. Name 3 ways to become a millionaire.
Work hard, dream big, and oh my god.
Let's go.
I don't want
Start a
Sorry,
business.
you're the loser though.
You could have took bites. You had to eat the whole thing.
So, Keon Lemons is now the winner.
Too easy.
All right, Keon, how do you feel that you won?
I told them before we got here I was gonna win.
So you predicted it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not worried. I got some moody
Nick,
questions.
you need to remember 3 ways that you could become a millionaire is to dream big, work hard, and watch Food for Thought.
But if you close your eyes